Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Cadillac CTS key fob. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones. Make sure the emergency key blade for your new fob is already cut. This entire procedure will take about 30 to 40 minutes, so set aside enough time before you begin. To begin, ensure your vehicle is off. Locate and remove the small cap covering the key lock cylinder on your driver's door. Insert your cut emergency key into this cylinder. Now, turn the key to the unlock position 5 times within 10 seconds. Your driver information center should display a message indicating remote learning is pending. After the initial step, the driver information center will show remote learn pending. Please wait. You must wait 10 minutes until it prompts you to press engine start button to learn. Press the button, then repeat this 10-minute wait and button press 2 more times. This completes the 3 necessary learning cycles. Once the cycles are complete, the display will show ready for remote #1. Place your new key fob into the transmitter pocket in the center console with buttons facing the front. Press the engine start/stop button to program it. To program additional fobs, repeat this step. When finished, press and hold the engine start/stop button for 12 seconds to exit programming mode. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.